Okay, so today what I'm going to be doing, I am Willow's Wild Adventures, and today I'm going to be making a felt doll. Please subscribe to my channel because we're doing all these really cool things, like making dolls, making slime, which my dad obviously does not like, but it's fun to do it anyways, right? So let's get started. Hello. Birds! And right now I'm trying to make this, but it's turning out like that. Right now I'm making the line. Sorry, this is the wrong page. You have to make a top like this, and then you will add the second layer on top. And yeah, so I'm just trying to do that right now. And it's going well. Yeah. Help. We got my really favorite little doll. And right now I am going to add the red to the thing. So just gonna flatten it out a little bit. And I'm gonna
Is
connect
the red
it.
part of her hair?
Huh?
Is the red part of her hair?
Yes.
Oh, cool.
She dyed it. It will work.
Oh yeah, she looks really good.
Okay, now moving up here. And
You don't wear the thumb thing?
it's weird.
You're not into the thumb thing, huh?
Now part of it is right here.
Nice. Pretty.
Now I'll braid it. And you can see as I am braiding. Oh, this doesn't look good. Let me undo this. Here, time lapse. Can you time lapse it, Dad? Can you time lapse? So, this is what I made. You can see I made the belt. I wrapped this around one of these, and then I felted this onto it, and I detailed the hair with these beautiful flowers and this long reddish brown strip. And in the face, right here, I made this part so it actually looks like it's growing hair. And right here, you can fluff it up. And there you go. That is what I made.